Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing for the fastest update path, a wired update via your computer. Plug the iPhone into a Mac or PC with a certified USB cable, make sure battery is above 50%, and enable airplane mode so background services won't interfere. Once done, run a quick backup in Finder or iTunes to protect data, close all apps, and clear at least a few gigabytes of space so the update can write files without delays. Next, you use your computer to download and apply the update because wired transfers and desktop bandwidth are faster and more reliable. Open Finder or iTunes, select your device, and click Check for Update. Download the update to the computer rather than the phone to avoid mobile storage bottlenecks. Once the download finishes, choose Update so the computer installs the new firmware and preserves your data. Make sure you do not disconnect the cable until the process completes to avoid corruption. You finish by keeping the iPhone connected until the installer reports completion. The device will reboot several times. This is normal. If the update stalls, force restart your phone, reconnect to the computer, and attempt the update step again in Finder or iTunes. Make sure the computer's internet is stable. If the update still fails, use recovery mode to restore the device as a last resort, but remember that restore erases data unless you have a backup. That troubleshooting tip prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.